Hey there guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is JT, and guys, in today's video I'm gonna be doing this 8th modification to my truck. Ever since I've gotten it, I've done a couple of them. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you guys know the deal. I get down and dirty with it. Okay, that came out really wrong. You guys know the deal. I actually get down and try to do it myself, which is gonna be the first one of this 2022 year. And you guys, I'm really excited about this because this is something that I've been wanting ever since I got the truck, and I finally was able to afford it. And trust me, it's something that's really needed in trucks. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and start this out. If you are excited about this upgrade, make sure you drop a like, comment down below, let me know what you think, and also if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so let's start this out by opening the package first. As you guys can see, it's pretty big. Look at this. Oh god, it's pretty big. So inside here, it's something that my truck really needs, and it's gonna make it look bigger, or not bigger, but like, you know, it's gonna make it look wider. And I'm pretty sure some of you already can tell what it is, but I'm gonna open it and show you guys right now. This is gonna be my first time looking at them physically and not through pictures. So let's go open this thing up. Oh crap. Okay, hold on. Ah shit! Ah fudge! Oh damn it, that hurts. Oh fudge! I almost cut myself. What the heck? With scissors. Great. Okay. Okay guys, I'm having trouble opening this thing with... Come on. Hold it in my head right now. Come. Okay. Screw it. Alright. Let's just put this down before I cut myself. Oh Lord, are you kidding me? I'm already having troubles opening this thing. Alright guys, bear with me right now, please. Okay. Oh. Okay, boom. Ready guys? Ready? Okay, there's wrap. There's bubble wrap around it now. Alright, so, sorry. Oh god, I am really having trouble. So, voila. So, here's what I got. Side fenders on my truck. So, as you guys can see right now, I'll show you in a bit my truck. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna wash it right now too. It's pretty cold, but you know, I gotta wash it in order to install these babies. So these are gonna go on the side of my truck above the wheels, so it's gonna look a little bit wider, but it's gonna protect my paint from getting scratched by rocks and debris and stuff like that. You get me? You get the whole point of these. Let's take a look at Luna, how she looks right now. So this is a before, honestly. So it's pretty dirty, as you guys can see. So we're gonna replace that. We're gonna put it over that one, and over the two on the other side. I don't know how I might do this, but you know, we're just gonna go along with it, follow some videos on YouTube, and boom, we're gonna get it figured out. Man, look at this. Oh golly, that's gonna be tough to remove, but you know. All right guys, so after taking like almost an hour in this freezing cold weather, I finally finished washing the truck. Now that I got the truck cleaned and all that, it's time to put the side fenders on. I'm gonna put the right one over here, the one on the driver's side, and the front one, and this all the stuff that comes with it, all these bolts and all these little like clip-on things. I have no idea what the heck they are, honestly. You just can, I don't know. Look, you guys see that shit? I don't know what the hell is that for. So I'll try to figure it out soon, or I'll try to figure it out eventually. And then I got this long piece of like I don't know, I think edge protection or something. I have no idea. So we'll figure all this out as we go, and hopefully I don't mess something up and damage my truck, because if that happens, I'm gonna be really upset with myself. So yeah, let's go. All right, so first we're gonna take our side fender and we're gonna trim over we're gonna put this thing right here, I guess. We're gonna put this over the edge, like up over the edge. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish doing this tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna continue doing the whole sticking to it and all that stuff, because it's already gonna be 5 p.m. and I have something to do. So I thought it wasn't gonna take this long. Apparently it is. So let's transition to the next day. Let's go.
Eternity later.
We're here in the next week. So if you guys just really saw from the first beginning of the video, I was working on my truck, doing the next upgrade number 8 last weekend on the 15th. However, it was freaking cold, and it was like, I don't know, it was just not the right weather. My hands are actually like super dry because of that now. So I had to wait a whole week. So right now it's the 21st or the 22nd, and right now there's the sun and it's pretty warm. It's like 40 degrees, so perfect weather for this upgrade. I have to rewash my truck, but this time I might just wash the little areas where I'm gonna freaking install the upgrade, and then at the end, once I finish installing the whole upgrade, I'm just gonna wash it completely all over again and detail it and all that stuff. So yeah, so last week I only got like 1 or 2 things done, and that is adding this right here. You guys can see I added this. Let's see if you guys can see it, but I added this little thing on the inside. It goes all the way around. So basically that's just to give it a little bit more like so you can hold on to the other side fender, you know. But this is gonna be the back one. We're gonna add the back one first this time because it's much easier. All you gotta do is like freaking remove 2 bolts here and there. Alright, so I got the 6 little clamps and the little black and white lip covers or whatever. I finally got them installed, and this is how they look. Honestly, at first I was like skeptical about it because they don't look exactly like how the instructions tell me to make it look like. Alright, so now as you can see, I added the black protection thing for the truck, and then I added on top of that, I added this little piece of thing, which is the little clamp. So basically what this is gonna do is, once you install this, the flare on top of it, you're gonna have to drill through here, and that way you won't have to drill a hole through your truck. I put another one here and all around the truck, as you guys see that. So the problem with this front one is that since the body of the truck has like it's a little bit different from the back, there's like a little gap in between when you put it on. So the only solution for that was to basically put it out in the sun for like 3 hours, and then you'll, like, you know, the plastic is gonna be able to bend around the curve and it's gonna fit perfectly in. However, I don't know if it's that hot, so it's like 40 degrees. I don't know if that's hot enough for this thing to be able to bend. So if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna use a freaking heat gun. I have one, it's a small one, so I'm gonna try to work with that. Yeah. All right, so first things first. Alright guys, so I finally got it. Oh man, this was the toughest one I've put so far. That one was easy, this was the toughest, and I feel like it's gonna be the same for the other side, which I'm gonna hate. But other than that, it looks good now. Alright guys, so it's finally done. I completed this upgrade. This is how it looks. By the way, I'm kind of disappointed in some parts because it needs to be kind of warm in order for me to install these and so they could fit properly, and it's not. It got cold last night, and when I was putting this on, they just started getting stiff, and it was really hard to put them on, especially the front one. So here it is, this is how it looks. I'll show you guys right now. You can see it looks pretty much wider. Okay, there you go. Yeah, perfect. They look nice. Also on this side, look at that, beautiful. However, this is one of the problems that I have is since it got cold, I was putting this one on, and as you guys can see, there's a gap now. So this one's not properly put in place, and I have to fix it whenever it gets warmer. And also I lost 2 of the screws that goes you see this? There's a hole right there. You can even see the hole. There's a hole, you can see it right there. Come on, focus. There it is. Yeah, it's missing a bolt or freaking screw, and also up here it's missing one. So I have to buy some for those, and I have to reposition this thing. Crap. I have to put it up again, remove it, and then, you know, put it out in the heat and then put it back on because it's not properly placed. I'm not really into this right now. I really don't like that. So I'm gonna fix that soon. This one, on the other hand, it's really in place now. There's another one. These 2 are the ones that I put in a little bit later than the other one. So this one kind of got in place. There's still a little gap here, but once it gets warmer, I might have to take it off, and then put it back in there so it could, like, you know, adjust to the body of the truck. But so far it looks pretty nice. This one actually started, you know, going in right until, you know, all the way, because right now it's sealed from here. It's all like, you know, look at this, there's no gaps here, it's perfectly sealed. And anyways guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you so much for being patient with me. This was one hell of a journey doing this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you drop a like, comment down below, let me know what you think, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. You know the drill. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.